page, we need to also send the anagram and the original word to basically compare. So we don't know. So we check to see if they made a guess. We assume they have. Then we're going to do some other is sets. These are all just good practice. So if the anagram has been set, and so two little ampersand symbols next to each other, and the word, so if the anagram and the word has been set, so if it's been run once already, we're going to put this answer out. The answer is becoming underscore post. It's actually just the same as that one above. The anagram, might as well copy and paste so I don't make a mistake. So I'm going to convert the original unedited answer into uppercase. Remember, it's case sensitive, so all these things do mean different things. So, to word, close bracket, so we go on, similar line of code again, except this time it's going to be guess, and instead of word we're going to deal with the guess. So it's best to make sure everything's all in uppercase for our comparisons. So after that, note there's no if statement, else option for this one, so we're going to go another if. If guess is not equal to the anagram, we're going to go and do something. And what we want to do is basically tell them that they basically screwed up. So, sorry, and then we're going to put their guess in. So telling them that what they wrote was basically not correct. Okay, so we got that one, and we're adding in the breaks, and so we've got that one converted on. Now, if they do get it right, so if they have guessed correctly, we want to do something else. We want to basically tell them they have done well. So, well done message. Always a good idea to actually put what they actually guessed on, and then tell them they got it correct. Okay, but not just that, we need to actually get a new anagram. And this is why we've actually gone and created that random word function, so that we can, rather than having to redo the whole page again, we can just go, okay, let's go get a random word, and then let's get our answer, and convert it back up to the top. So I'm just doing string to upper again, and I'm actually going to, inside that, run random move using the anagram. So it's just kind of combining two lines of code into one, so the answer automatically gets. So we've got the random anagram generated, and then we'll go and convert the answer and store it in there. And that basically completes our anagram generator. If it's all done, last bit we have required to do is actually go and upload it to the server. So I'm just going to skip it. Remember, if you've gone and modified any of the other files, you want to upload them at the same time. Okay, so while uploading these, I went and uploaded them, went to the guess anagram page, and it's told me I've got an error on line 35. So I'm going to go through, get rid of that. I can see here, with an strlen on that, so I'm just going to save that one again, and let's go back and upload and hope. And once again, we've gone to try and guess the anagram again, and there is yet another problem. And this one is due to not actually giving us a result back. So we've got a result here, but remember, each function, if I want to do something with it, I need to return the result. So if I do that now, hopefully this is going to work. chances are there might be a part 3 or part 4 of what am I going to fix next. Okay, yes, there is another error. I've got a little speech marks after that closing bracket, which was what was causing a few little other problems. There's something going on with the detecting of the words. I need to have a look at these. So the anagram, so I'm posting the word in here, and that's the actual anagram. I'm saving it into there, and the actual anagram is saved with the answer. What I want to do is get the guess and turn that to an uppercase word. If guess is equal to, do I want the anagram or the answer? No, I want the answer because that's the actual original word. So I've got the original word, the anagram, so we can print that. If it's not equal to that, it should say sorry, not correct. Otherwise it's going to say well done. Should be okay. So now just uploading the guess word file again, reloading that page. Okay, I've fixed the first part, so I can now see I've got the anagram here. Okay, let's try something out. Okay, so it's saying that's not correct. Now, I've got a problem here because it's not actually showing me the anagram. So we've got a problem with a bit of our logic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of debugging. So we're going to go into the use page source. So it's printing out the sorry was not correct. Okay, so it's storing the word actual anagram in there. And the original word was actually super. So its name, the anagram, so it's not actually storing the actual encrypted word. So there we've got a bit of a problem. This word is meant to be super though, so let's actually try and see if super actually works. Okay, so let's try that. It's telling me it's still not correct. So possibly not sending the correct information. It's not actually sending any valid information at all. So let's check this one. When I first do it, the value stored is player. So if I try player, okay, we're getting a few sort of logic problems there. Yep, and then once again it's not storing it. So we've got some problems with our sending of the information into the database. So sorry, guess. So it's posting our anagram, so I've got anagram value is assigned to $answer, so that works fine initially. That's when we get up to the stage. So we get post in. Filter seems to be sort of okay if it is set. And what we can do is we can put a little echo message in here. Yeah, just to say anagram and the word are okay. And maybe put in a few little breaks just to make the formatting a little bit easier. Back to it, re-upload. This is where the time-consuming part really gets in, because it's a lot of sort of debugging of all the different words. So what I'm going to do is put in a message. Okay, so it hasn't told me what was wrong, but it hasn't actually put that message that I just coded up in. So it's not actually getting into this section. So what I'm going to do is go and check these. If anagram is set and word is set, so checking our values here. Is set post anagram. They look to be okay. So what we're going to do, we could try taking it out. So it's definitely something to do with our logic that's going on in here. because it's printing out these messages, we know it's actually at least, the guess is actually being stored. Okay. What we actually have as the problem is we've got some information here that we want to actually include in the input, but it is not actually inside the form token this way. So we're going to cut that form section out and put it right before the div tag, because the information we want to send using the post method has to actually be between the two. So let's go back to our show words, re-upload that file. Yep, okay, now if we go, okay, we haven't put some breaks in, so that's why some of the errors are going on. Bless me. So if you use Hayden, okay, it's basically saying the anagram word was okay, all those error message Hayden was correct. Let's come up with another one. Okay, and so it's formatting it. Obviously you can go back, edit the stuff yourself. You've seen how the debugging goes on. There's a lot of time consuming sort of debugs that can be done with this, but persevere with it and you'll reap the rewards. Remember, Facebook is built using PHP.